The shark did.
Really?
Yeah, we go do it, huh? Says we eat poo down, and we do suck down. And he said, "Why?" He named Bruce.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's very interesting.
That we don't yak neighbors and we don't yak socks and he best friends. We don't yak best friends, huh? We don't yak his best friends.
Nope.
No. We don't yak socks and emos and best friends.
What about penguins?
No, we don't yak penguins. He don't want to drop in the water.
He didn't want to jump in the water?
Nope. They were not the penguins. I swim like a penguin.
You do swim like a penguin.
I did it. I swim like a penguin. So this saw down. He said, "Wow." He made Bruce. That thing.
Oh.
We don't get sharks.
No.
And we don't get Nemo's and sharks or his best friends. We don't get best friends, huh? And we don't get the old socks.
What do you want for dinner?
I don't want that. I like that movie. I said, don't like that movie, Mommy. So I like that movie.
Yeah, I do too.
You do?
Uh-huh.
I don't want to play his puddles. That'd be fun, huh?
It would be very fun.
I don't picture his puddles. So he was getting a pill with me. Hey, you can dance. You can dance. You can dance.
Wow.
Funny, huh?
You're funny.
Hey, that's Buzz Lightyear. Oh, that turtle like you. That's Buzz Lightyear.
Cute. Love you.